Come closer, closer still. Your soul, it has always known. Through every moment of doubt, through every tear shed in the dark, through every smile that didn't quite reach your eyes, your soul has known. Known what, you ask? Listen to the echo in your bones, the whispers in your marrow. Your soul has always known that you are vast, limitless, a constellation of experiences wrapped in skin. Remember the dreams that visit you at 3 a.m., the ones that feel more real than reality itself. Your soul authored those stories long before you were born. It's been trying to tell you you are not lost, merely exploring the labyrinth of existence, the anxiety that grips your chest like a cold hand. It's just your soul expanding, outgrowing the cage of expectations you've built around it. Every panic attack is a rebellion against the artificial boundaries you've accepted as truth. Let me tell you something beautiful and terrible. You were never meant to fit in. The discomfort you feel in crowded rooms, the way your thoughts dance to a different rhythm. These are not flaws. They are signatures of your soul's authenticity. Your soul has always known that healing isn't linear. It's a spiral dance through time, revisiting old wounds with new wisdom, touching scars with hands that have learned to be gentle. Sometimes you'll find yourself back where you started, but you'll be different, stronger, softer, both at once. The loneliness that visits you like an old friend, your soul knows it too. Knows it's not about being alone, but about being out of sync with a world that moves too fast, feels too shallow. Your depth is not a curse. It's a gift that few will understand, but many will need. In your darkest moments, when you feel like a glitch in the universe's programming, your soul has been there, holding the truth. You are not a mistake. You are a deliberate variation, a necessary disruption in the pattern. The way you love, too much, too deeply, too intensely, your soul has always known this is your power. In a world that celebrates emotional efficiency, you dare to be an overwhelming force of feeling. This is your rebellion. This is your grace. Your soul has always known that you don't need to be fixed. The cracks and breaks and missing pieces, they're not empty spaces. They're doorways, portals to understanding, windows through which your light escapes to illuminate others. Listen closely now. Can you hear it? The distant music of your own truth. It's been playing all along, beneath the noise of shoulds and musts and have-tos. Your soul has been conducting this symphony since before you took your first breath. You've been searching for permission to be yourself, but your soul has always known you never needed it. The permission was written in your DNA, whispered in your first cry, sealed in the unique pattern of your fingerprints. So let your weirdness bloom like night flowers. Let your differences stand like monuments to authenticity. Let your pain transform into wisdom, your fear into power, your doubt into art. Because your soul, your beautiful, ancient, wise soul, it has always known who you are. And who you are is exactly who you need to be. Rest here in this truth. Let it seep into your bones like starlight. Let it heal you like the moon heals the night. You are home. You have always been home. Your soul has always known.